pretty, man. Like when you watch TV stars, see some pretty building and some pretty cars, is it?
First thing we want, I'm a barber shop.
The first thing we want is a Chris car.
See a sign in your window over there say you're looking for a barber.
Yeah, you gotta have a license, man, in order for me to hire you.
Man, look at job, I can't get a job.
I don't understand what you're saying, sir.
Bad man, beg 50, yo, I'm not to America for do them things, so if I beg, we have to go beg for food, and you have to go beg for you.
America with it. We not have to rob nobody here, sir.
Yo, don't worry yourself, see? I have a plan.
I thought when we come here, you know, things would have been much easier.
You know, I don't have to count it in a car. If it's shorter, life shorter than it. One good thing I move on tomorrow.
America can be whatever you want it to be. I feel like if you put God first and you work hard, it can be whatever you want.